Who's got the Bronco? Who's got the Corvette? Yeah, I might be surprised. It could go either way. I know roughly what the best. Newer without tunes or modification runs. Here we go.
Back at Orlando's Speed World, here with the BMWs. Luis came back and he wanted to try his car out with his new downpipe and E32 mix. Last time he was here last week, his best was 11.3, but he's been here before when it's a little colder and he's been 11.2, but that's on 93 OTS tune only. Now he has an E30 mix and a downpipe, and he just ran once already. He went 11.0 as you saw. So we're going back to JC to see if we can get that 10.9. So we'll see how it goes. Get some street cars on it.
He was here last week and he ran a 10.2. He was here last week, ran a 10.2 on a street tire. He went and got a tire, now he's back this week. And he can get that 9. Let's go. Go Willie. Willie's got one 10.9 on his belt. He just went 11.0. So let's see. He got 10.9 last week and then some 11s. He just got an 11.0. So let's see. Right after him we got Luis right here. So let's see. Al lado tuyo, papi. Favorite sounding car, by the way, right there. Car just went, they're cleaning up. Luis just went 11-2. I think he stayed too long on the launch control, but I'm gonna go ask him and then I'm gonna see if I can stay for the third run. We'll see. It's getting nice. He should be able to pull it off. Congrats to Willie. He got his second 10-9, so it's official. And then that white car went 9. That's crazy. Alright, so that was a couple days ago. And we had gone that one Wednesday where I raced the car, and Luis went with the 93 tune only, and his best that night was 11-3, and he was racing the M2C a lot, and the M2C got 11-2, but he lost 3 times. So of course, as soon as he goes home, he puts on that downpipe he had in the garage setting for a long time, and got the OTS flex tune and put that on. So you do mods, you want to take it back to the track and see what it does. So that's why we went back 1 week later, and I went with my wife, so we went to watch some racing and have some fun. So that's why I didn't vlog a lot. But right off the back, he went 11-0 at 127. So he went from stock 11-9 at 117 to 93 tune on a really cold night, 11.2 at 123, consistent 11.3s, and then he put downpipe OTS flex tune with E30 mix, and he went 11-0 at 127. I wanted to stay. I was gonna stay and watch his third run that night, but it was almost 9 o'clock and one of the cars broke down at the end, spilled oil, so it takes a while to clean up. So and it's a school night and my wife works, so we decided to leave. But I got back from it and he ran another 11-0. So he went 11-0, 11-2, and then 11-0 that night, which is on a street tire. So that's pretty good, because you know the car is taking out a lot of power on the launch to keep it from spinning. That's what those cars do. I think when they do launch control, it builds boost and they take off pretty quick. But the launch control, even with the traction and everything off, it still takes control and doesn't let the car spin. So it leaves hooking, and then it kind of gives you on full power as you roll on, and you won't be spinning. So that was him. Willie with the yellow M3, he went another 10-9. He went 11-0. He borrowed a tire. He went 10-9s, and then I don't know what happened after that. But that's another car. He's did 10-9 twice, so it's verified the car does 10-9s. He stays on that lower 11 side because he's on street tires too. And even though he has like a full E85 custom tune and everything, the cars, there's too much power for street tires. He needs a dedicated drag tire if you want to grip and have the car release all the way. And then also, I'm going to show the run right now, but it happens to be that there was an M3 that went the Wednesday that I ran first time putting the car on the track, but it has every mods. I think even has a turbo upgrade. So it's a F80 M3 with stock internals, and it went 10.2 on a street tire. So he came back this week too with Luis, and he came back with a tire and a helmet this time, and he ran a 971, I think it was, at 143, and I guess that's a F80 M3 stock internals world record. So that was pretty quick. It sounded really good, and it just went when it left. And I ran a couple nines, but I think that was the fastest that it ran. It was a 9.7, so that was pretty cool. So overall, it was a fun night. You know, I watched 2 rounds of racing with my wife, and we left early, so we got home early. It was good to see Luis run some good times. Hopefully he can come back with a drag tire and get it into the 9s with just those little mods, or just keep running and having fun on a street tire and stay on that low 11 side. Maybe hit a 10 here and there, but it's about to get hot, so I don't know how's that gonna go. But overall, it's a good night. Had fun with the wife, and we're tracking the record of the Luis BMW M3, how much better it does, and some of the other cars are always there too. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comments on a couple of these BMWs, and subscribe to see what's coming up next.